Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to learn how to do roofs on Revit. To draw roofs, you of course need walls, depending on what kind of building you're making, but you need walls. So I drew my walls. If you don't know how to make walls, you can watch my previous videos to learn how to do it. It's very easy. Now, since it's not like a project, it's just me showing the roofs. I just have the basic levels that Revit gives me, which is level 1, level 2. Level 1 is the ground floor, and level 2 is the roof. So I'll open level 2 and I'll start drawing the roof. You should ideally choose the higher level, like the level where you want your roof to be. You can, if you want, draw it on the ground floor if you see that you can't see the outlines. But then if that's not the case, then you should go back to, like, after you draw it, select the roof and then choose the level. So now I go to architecture, I go to roof, I press on this, and then I'll choose roof by footprint. You have many other options, roofs. We have two more options actually. So there are three. You can do a lot of things with roof by footprint. So I'll start with that. The first thing that I'll do is if you need to know, like, if I want a flat roof, then I'll just untick this define slope, which is what I just did. Depending on whether you want your roof to start from the edge, which some people don't like it, so you can choose 0.5 maybe, which will draw your line, then offset. Let's choose it again. Yes, I do it again. Yes, like that. And then we will, okay, we'll just erase this one. Yes. It drew a double line here, it's fine. And then I press OK. Before that, as you can see from here, you can choose the materials and everything. I'll just keep it as the generic one. You can play around with the structure. You can put the finishing, the structural material as you like, in the same way as the walls. Just press edit type. You have the structure. Depending on your requirement, you can, on the requirement of what kind of roof they want from you, you can put the things. For me, I will just keep it like this since I don't really have a requirement here. Just save it. Press the green tick, and then I'll go to the 3D so I can see. See, it's a nice flat roof. Of course, you can have it extended out like this, or you can make it stop at the wall. The next roof that we'll take, which let me first copy this. Sorry. Just copy this here. And I'll make a few more copies here and there. Yes. So now I just go here and let's see which one do I want. Probably go with this one. Oh no, this one. Okay. Doesn't matter actually. The second roof that we'll take is again with this. This time I'll keep define slope. That's selected. And then we just select the lines. If you want, you can have the offset. I'll do this time without an offset, and then I press on the tick, and then let's see. It will look like this. If you want, you can actually play with the slopes as well. So I just go here, and I will go and choose roof again, and then I'm going to draw my roof. I'll have these two as sloped, and then I'll close the slopes, and then I'll draw it. And just for reference, you can like choose this. Okay, select. You can select this and then uncheck define slope. I'll keep it as define slope. And you can change the amount of slope that's going to happen. And then I'll press on the green tick. And now you'll have a typical cottage roof. Now, of course, you have a gap here. So what you do is you select the wall, and then press attach top to base, and then you just select it. Select the roof, and it closes. You can select all 4 walls and then do it as well. Saves time. I just said it like that. That's fine. So these are 4 types. Now let's try an irregular shape that's not a basic square. I just go here and I'll probably do it this one. I will take the wall and I'll just try whatever shape comes in my mind. And something that's like not very basic. Okay. And then I'll go to roof 2, level 2, sorry. And then I'm going to go and take this again, and we will draw. And let's select it as the one slope, and then we draw all of them. This one, the last one, I'll unselect it because I don't want this one to be sloped. You can make it sloped. I don't want it. Then I'll press on the tick. And see, you can do it like this as well. Just press attach. If it gives you the option, you just press attach. And if you go here, it will be attached. Or if it's not attached, you just select it and it will be attached. Now, we have a few more. You of course can do many different kinds of proof. Like you can actually have fun and try so many different types of proofs. But then for now, we will just do what we can. For this one, I will try something different. I'll do this. I'll put slopes as usual, but I'll put it on 2 sides like the typical cottage one. And then I'm not going to have it here. And then instead of this, I will put negative here. Okay. Again, negative 30. And then offset, let's put an offset actually. I'll put 4, no 3. So I don't want it just for this, I want it for all of them. So the entire roof will not be formed on level 2, it will kind of be up. So as you can see, it looks like this. So we just select the walls and we make it attached to the roof. Yes. And there you go. See, you have an inverse roof. So of course you can play around way more than this. Now we will see another kind of roof. It's called roof by extrusion. So the first thing that you do is you go to architecture, reference plane. And then let's say I want to draw the profile of the roof from here. And I'll name it as whatever name is catchy to you and you can remember it. Roof, profile. You can even name it with your name or something just to make your life easier when it comes to finding it. Now I'm going to go and see from which side can this, like from which side can I see this profile more easily, and that's the north. Okay, we'll open the north. It's this one, I believe, yes. And then I'm going to choose roof by extrusion. It will ask me which plane I want to draw on, and I will choose the reference plane that I just drew. The reference plane is the plane from where it will draw. Press OK. And it will ask me from where do I want to draw my roof. So I'll choose level 2, typical. And then you take whatever shape you want and you draw it. I want an organic shape, a flowy, nice shape. You can have fun with what you want, or I mean, not smooth, but actually I want it to be nice. You can have fun with what kind of roof you will make. And then I press on this. Yeah, I didn't save the project. And then you can go to the roof level or anywhere else, and you just adjust the width based on how you want it, because that's one thing that you have to draw, because it's drawing on this reference plane, so it will draw like this. And then you go to the 3D. You just select, actually I want it to be higher. I'll go here and you can either put an offset or you can drag it up. I want it to be like 2 meters up, maybe. Yeah. I'll just go to level 2 here and choose all of the bullets here. And then I'm going to, not level 2, level 1. And I'm going to choose the walls here, and then I'm going to choose attach, and then I'm going to go here and choose it, and it will be attached. If you want to have fun, you can definitely make this tilted. Like we did show the slope in one of the previous videos. So you can do that if you want, slanted maybe, and put like 30 degrees or something. Just choose this, slanted, and then put 30 maybe. Really, minus 30, let's say. Okay. And then you can make this attach with the roof again. Okay, it's not breaking, but anyways, you can definitely play around with that. So these are the basic ones. You do have a third one, which is roof by face. This one, you use it for massing. So like, let's say I have this weird form that I made with the massing inside, this one. And I want to choose, I want to make one of the sides as the roof, but then I can't draw it because it's not possible with any of these. You just choose roof by face, and you just select the surface. Now of course you can do it here, but then it just lets you like touch it, and then you press create roof and it will get formed. We'll see it in the massing video. So these are just few of the many different kinds of roofs that you can make with the roofing. It's good to make it with the roofing instead of the floor because the finishes, etc., looks better when you use the roof instead. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe and like.